Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Samsung Galaxy S20. So first go into the settings, then right here find the display, change to dark mode and lower the brightness level. Also here you have the motion smoothness. You can change from high to standard. You will find the screen timeout in here, shortened to around 1 minute. Then find the battery and device care settings. You can here optimize the battery. Also, you can click onto the battery to open the battery settings and enable the power saving mode. Here you have the apps that uses the most power. Also, scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.